Hello and welcome to Quail Digital. In this video, we will give you orientation training on your Pro10 headset system. The system is designed to help you and your team to communicate better and more efficiently. We hope you find this session useful. The system consists of these items: the headset, which includes a battery, headband or neckband, a 6-port charger and shelf, which is where the headsets are placed when not in use, the base station, which is wall mounted to maximise its range, and finally the registration point, which is always located just below the base station. The headsets are very easy to use and make communication accurate and quicker. It can be worn on your left ear or your right ear, like this. The band can be adjusted to fit like this, or a neckband is available and fits like this on your right ear. You can adjust the form to better fit your head. When you put the headset back into the charger, remove the headband or neckband like this and place it onto the hanger below. This is the touch button. When you touch here to speak, the blue light illuminates. When you finish speaking, move your finger and the blue light goes off. Keep this button pressed while speaking. Release when you've finished. If you want to speak hands-free, then press and hold the button for a second and it will stay on. When you want to stop speaking hands-free, press the button again like this. When you speak, everyone in your team wearing the headset will hear you. This is the volume button. It has 5 incremental stages. Press to increase the volume to suit. When it reaches the top at 5, you'll hear a double beep. It then goes back to 1. When you first take it out of the charger, the headset will be at volume level 3. This is the battery. It stays in the headset all the time. Don't remove it day to day. It's only ever taken out if it needs replacing. The battery should last up to 16 hours on standby when fully charged. If you use the headset in hands-free mode, it will last up to 10 hours before it needs recharging. If the battery is getting low, you'll hear 3 beeps in quick succession, like this, every 60 seconds. If you hear that noise, put the headset back into the charger and take another one. When the headset is not in use, it should always be returned to the charger. Don't leave it out or the battery will go flat. Battery capacity will reduce over time. It's good practice to buy a new battery every 18 months or so, just to maintain that 16 hours talk time. Your system will have 1 or more chargers depending on the number of headsets you're using. There's always a charging port available for every headset. The headsets go into the charger like this. Press down gently to make sure it's fully down on the charging pin. The light on the headset will pulse blue every 10 seconds. This means it's charging. From low, a battery will fully recharge in 4 hours, but even charging the battery over your rest period will add useful time before a full recharge. When the headset is fully recharged, the blue light will be constant. If the blue light is not on, check that the charger is on by checking the green light. It could have been switched off by mistake. If the headset has been out of the charger for long periods, perhaps over a month, and there is no blue light, it means the battery is deeply discharged. Place it into the charger and leave it for 10 minutes. It will recover charge during this time and the light will begin to flash. Leave it in the charger to recharge itself. The system has 1 or more base stations. These broadcast the headset audio around your premises, so they are always wall mounted to maximise the range and coverage. The main base station, called the primary base, is the one with a red light and a green light, like this. And the extension bases, called repeaters, are those with 2 green lights, like this. If you go out of range of the base station, you'll hear 2 beeps every 10 seconds. That means you can't communicate with the other headsets, so walk back into range and you'll hear the beep to signal you're back. On day 1, your headsets are already registered to the base station to create your closed private audio system. If and when you add new headsets to the system or headsets are returned from repair, they will have to be registered to the system. This is how you register a headset. Make sure your headset has a charge battery. You'll see the blue light is pulsing. All the other headsets can be in use or in the charger. Locate the registration point below the base station. The light will be pulsing green like this. Hold the headset close to the registration point like this. The green light will now fast flash, which means it's registering, and then go solid green, indicating it's registered. Place the headset back into the charger for 2 minutes and let it fully synchronize with the system. And then you're free to use it. If you need to register more headsets, repeat the process. If you hold the headset near the registration point and nothing happens, it means that it's already registered. You can check that a headset is registered by touching the page button. If you hear your voice in your ear, you're registered. It's good practice to clean your headsets periodically. We suggest you just use an ordinary domestic wipe to give the headsets, headbands and neckbands a clean like this. Thank you for choosing Quail Digital. Enjoy using your system.